Good AM. Today is Sunday, November 12, 2023, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sure 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, November 12, 2023. Here are the SL Sure 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Sunday, November 12, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of November 12, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.